What's up guys? Welcome back to the Tenorshare channel. If you're setting up your iPhone as a new device, you might see a screen like this. It says Unable to activate, because the activation server cannot be reached. Sometimes it says an update is required to activate your iPhone. Fortunately, it's fairly easy to fix it. In this video, I'd like to share the whole process with you guys. So, let's get started. First, we are going to check the list on the system status page. If the box by iOS device activation isn't green, we should try to activate the phone later. The next fix is give the phone a forced restart. For iPhone 7, press and hold both the side and volume down button. Keep holding the buttons until the Apple logo shows up. Then try activating your phone from the beginning. This usually has to do with network status, so switching to a different network would be a good idea. If you still need help, here is how to activate your iPhone using iTunes or Finder. First, press and release the home button to invoke the menu here. Tap WLAN setting. Then tap the I button next to your connected network. And forget this network. Scroll down, tap Connect to Mac or PC. Tap Continue to proceed. Then we open iTunes on a computer and plug the phone in. Once recognized, iTunes will start activating your iPhone automatically. Well done. Now we got to the data and privacy screen. It means the phone has been activated. In the last part here, I'd like to introduce you guys ReiBoot as the ultimate solution. So we launch it and connect the phone. Hit the start button to proceed. Select the standard repair so we won't lose any data. Then we'll be downloading the firmware. And after that, we can start repairing. The whole process takes about 10 minutes. Well done. Now let's go on and finish the setup. As you can see, ReiBoot works too. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you.